gentlemen, it's a great pleasure to welcome you on board this British Airways flight to London Heathrow's Terminal 5. My name is Tom Mykeiren, I'm the purser on this morning's flight. I would like to add a special welcome to our executive card holders, to those of you who are joining us from our codeshare partners, American Airlines, Air Berlin, Cathay Pacific, Japan Airlines and US Airways, and to anybody who is joining us from any of our One World Alliance partners. We shall shortly be commencing our in-flight service. We shall be serving you with something to eat, followed by juices and water. Unfortunately, on this morning's flight, we do have a problem with our brewing equipment that makes tea and coffee. I do apologise that we are unable to offer hot beverages on board this aircraft this morning. Once again, my sincere apologies for this. You'll also be able to avail of our in-flight shopping, details of which you'll find in the High Life Shop magazine. It's located in the seat back in front of you. If you are connecting onto another flight today and your final destination is the United States, there are some extra security measures at Heathrow. All electronic equipment, including iPhones, iPads, e-readers, etc., must have sufficient power to enable the security people to switch them on. If you do have any problems with this, our flight connection team, they do have extra charging points at London Heathrow, and they'll be delighted to offer you any assistance that you may need. Please now sit back, relax, enjoy our service. If there's anything we can do to make the flight more enjoyable, please don't hesitate to let one of us know. And just a reminder, we do recommend that while you're seated, that you keep your seatbelt securely fastened. We are at this time about to come through the cabin with landing cards for the United Kingdom. You do not have to fill out one of these landing cards. If you're in possession of a European passport, or if your journey takes you in transit through London Heathrow today, it is one landing card per passport. If you need any further information, please ask one of the cabin crew. Thank you.